That's because you ate the snacks in the car. You could have cooked. You could have cooked that snack you made.
I can't bring snacks in the bus.
Who told you that?
I think you.
I told you that.
Yeah.
I don't remember telling you that.
No.
You cleaning up?
Yes. Putting them in order.
You putting them in order? You gotta offset them. You know how to offset them?
Yeah.
Look, right there. You see how it's crooked? You gotta do it like this. Do one this way, then one that way, then one this way. Now they straight. Just gotta offset them.